Gemini, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. I don't know why I'm so happy. So let's see. Good for you, because this is the energy coming from you guys. So wishing for the best. What is coming for the Gemini people for the week of from starting from 5th through 11th of October 2020? Okay, so yeah, let's see. Wow, I'm feeling so exciting. Let's hope for the best for the Gemini people. Let's see what is coming for the Gemini from 5th through 11th of October. Okay, let's get the deck for you guys. This is for the Gemini people from 5th through 11th of October. Transformation. Okay, things are going to change for you. This is the Scorpio card. This is the rebirth after the death. Wow. Let's move on. Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands. Wow. Okay. King of Pentacles, Four of Swords, Sun. Wow, that's why I'm feeling happy. That's why. Okay, let's see. Star. Wow. So Hierophant, so major arcanas, and the Hanged Man. Okay. Wow, Gemini, it's beautiful. So we have only this sword card is here, which is the Four of Swords. So right now you are just relaxing, you are just taking good care of yourself, you are thinking but about the good outcomes and good results, and you have so many positive energy in yourself right now, which is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so yeah, all the beautiful cards in your reading right now, Gemini. So here is this Chariot energy, bottom of the deck, which is the Cancerian energy. I'm feeling that things are going to move fast for you, very fast. Yeah. So with the transformation card, I'm feeling that definitely there is going to be a change for you coming, and you are ready for this change. Like, you are ready, and you know that change is coming. That's why you are preparing yourself. Wow. That's why now you are relaxing and you are taking care of yourself. Wow. Okay, Page of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, and the Queen of Wands. I'm feeling that you're trying to be in your confident energy, in your authentic self, in your independent energy. Yeah. And someone is looking at you. See, this other person may be younger than you, they are looking at you like crazily. Maybe you are so beautiful, maybe you have the beautiful eyes, lips, hair, eyebrows, I don't know, but beautiful. You are looking beautiful. Okay, and that's why this person is mesmerized for your beauty. Wow. And I'm feeling that this person really want to offer you something, but this is a little but solid. Let's see, let's move on. Okay, this person, maybe I'm feeling that this is the same person, the King of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Maybe they are stable, but they are very younger and very excited spirit inside, like very that that passionate spirit within them. They are stable, mature, and attracted to you too much. Okay, with this King of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and the Sun card, I'm feeling that you're waiting for your happiness to come to you, because you are in the receiving energy of the queens. So that's why you are not making any move. You know that things will be better. You know that. Maybe a Leo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo is also here. Aries, Leo, Sag is here. Scorpio, Pisces is here. Aquarius is here. So, Star, Hierophant, and the Hanged Man. I'm feeling that there is a new opportunity coming for you to have commitment, because you are changing so many things within you, and you are actually growing yourself with this Hanged Man energy. You are now more enlightened, you are now more mature, and you are just surrendering to the universe that, yeah, I'm happy, whatever is coming to me, I'm happy, universe, just give my thing to me. This is the vibe I'm getting. Like, you are very in receiving energy, and you are not forcing anything. You are just surrendering to the universe, which is great. Beautiful. So let's see what is this transformation here for the Gemini people. Okay, this wants to come out. 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles. Cards are just flying for you, Gemini. What is happening with you? Okay, let's see. Yeah, here bottom of the deck we have the Magician, which is the manifestation you are doing, and I'm feeling that this is you creating beautiful things for yourself. No one else, only you and the universe. Okay, so 8 of Swords, 3 of Cups. So we have 7 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles, then 8 of Swords and 3 of Cups, clarifying this transformation card. So definitely you are overcoming all these sneaky behaviors. Yeah, you are not okay, you're focused, but you are not like trapped. Wow, because you are transforming. Okay, this is the vibe I'm getting, because you are transforming and you are glowing with this Queen of Wands energy. See, here you are trying to do something different, like out of the box like thing, and everyone is looking at you, and so many people from the crowd are attracted to you for your beauty. This is the vibe I'm getting. And yeah, maybe some people want to play games with you, but you're no more confused. Okay, you know that who is loyal with you with the 3 of Cups energy, like who is your friend or loyal person, and who is not, who is just want to make you stuck. Now you realize, because you are the Gemini. Okay, so let's see what is this Knight of Wands here. What is this Knight of Wands here for the Gemini? Because I'm feeling very seductive energy from these 2 cards. Okay, let's see. Wow, definitely very that a man-like person, masculine, divine masculine energy. Okay, let's see. 4 of Wands. Wow, Queen of Swords. Okay, wow. So whoever is this person, I was telling you that they are very mature. They have this younger spirit within them, but they are very mature. And I'm feeling that maybe they are the important person for your life. They are maybe your, eternal soulmate, something like that, life partner person. But with the Queen of Swords, you are trying to be determined. You are trying to be confident. Yeah, because you are, maybe this is your authenticity. Okay, you are not lying to this person. Okay, and also you are very determined to be in a better position in your life, because this person is already in very high rank position, maybe in the business or maybe in the, I don't know, but this person is established person, and you are trying to achieve that establishment for yourself as well, and that's why you're very determined. But this person is really I'm feeling that is trying to be your life partner, and they are, because we have the Sun and the Star here, which is the universe cards. And yeah, soul destiny. So your soul mate is coming, because your soul is calling you true soulmate, with the Sun card present here. Where is the Four of Swords here? See, this is the Universe card. We have the Temperance here, which is the Sagittarius energy, and the Ten of Pentacles. Page of Swords. Wow. So you're thinking about maybe saying yes to this person, because universe is trying to balance the situation between you and them, and universe is trying to make this union happen with this Ten of Pentacles and the Patience. This is beautiful, divine union. Okay, I'm feeling that this person is watching you, because maybe you're not talking to this person, you're just relaxing and giving yourself time and rejuvenating yourself. You're very busy in only in yourself, focusing on yourself, and you're very determined as well. This person liking all these qualities in you, likes all these qualities. Okay, so I'm feeling that they are watching you. They're watching you. Oh wow. So what is this Hierophant here? Are they interested in the commitment? Let's see. If you are interested in the commitment, they are too. But let's see, are they? What is this Hierophant here? Because you are very determined, very beautiful. You are like that beautiful housewife material like thing in you, and they are the divine masculine. So I'm feeling that this is the divinely union. Okay, we have the Hierophant here. Let's see, what is this for the Gemini? Two of Cups. Wow. Knight of Cups. Okay, and Fool. Wow, this person really wants to jump in the situation with you. They are not afraid of the outcome. They have no fears. I'm feeling that they just realize that yeah, they have love for you in their heart. They have feelings for you. They have emotions for you, and they just wanna tell you that yeah. I'm feeling that this is like a proposal like thing. So be ready. So yeah, this is I have for you, Gemini. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.